zoom, zoom, see the vehicles go. Fast and slow, they put on a show. Wheels turn round, they travel near and far. Let's find a truck, a boat, and a car. Look at the street, what do you see? A bright red car as shiny as can be. It rolls on the road, beep beep goes the horn, driving all around from the night until the morn. Listen to the tracks, hear a loud chug chug. The long, long train gives a heavy pull and tug. Choo-choo goes the whistle, puffing smoke so high, rolling down the tracks as the trees pass by. Look up in the sky, flying way up high, a big silver airplane soaring through the sky. With a loud whoosh whoosh and its wings stretched wide, taking all the people for a cloud top ride. Down in the water, splashing in the sea, a little blue boat bobs as happy as can be. Row, 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 it floats right along, splishing and a-splashing to our happy travel song. Zoom, 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 we learned them all today. On the road, the water, and the skyway. Vehicles are moving, busy as can be. Come along next time and learn some more with me.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.